Hello guys, RiderTech here. And for most of you guys, you have seen me ride my RS mainly in good weather. And there's a reason for that. Nice car. There's a reason for that. I basically don't like riding this bike on the rain. Look, a scooter. So, as I was saying, I basically don't like to ride this bike on the rain. I had a bad experience one time that I took it to service, where one of the roads that I pass has a really big metal dilatation on one bridge. It's a metal griddle. And when you pass on that bridge, you cannot take that at an angle. That thing is it's in a diagonal. It's not mounted parallel with the road, and you basically are forced to do it always at an angle. And with this bike, I actually felt the front slip from one compound into the other. And that guy scared the piss out of me. So I made a promise to myself that this was going to be a dry weather bike. I have ridden it in rain, but always upright, and it was not by choice. The weather just crapped down on me. If you guys use Google for weather reports, don't. It may say 0% chance of rain, and it will start raining in the next moment. So be advised that you should get a true weather app or something like that. But to my point, let me just do this. Okay. To my point, this bike is very aggressive even in the commute mode. And the tires are good, but I don't feel that the tires are really good in wet weather. This bike slips a little bit even in dry. On the wet, it's even more noticeable. So that's why you've only seen me riding in fair weather. The other reason is basically this camera will crap out if I go in a really heavy rain, because it's waterproof but not really waterproof. I don't have an housing. This is an older model. There's no housings available at the moment, so yeah, you will not see me ride in the rain unless I can avoid it. So that's it, guys. That's my fair weather notice for you guys. It's something that this Aprilia is good for. It's good weather. And as you can see, today it's not a day with lots of debris, because it has been good weather for the last 3 days. But that's the other reason that I don't like to ride this bike with bad weather, because these roads tend to have a lot of debris, and if I do stuff like this, myself going down. So, just my 2 cents. Let's go enjoy a little bit of fun and go back to the home.